Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 7 of question number first. Again we have to solve the pair of these equations by reducing them into the pair of linear equation. Means because here the variable is in the denominator, you have to shift this into the numerator. For that, suppose 1 upon x plus y as u and 1 upon x minus y as v. So our new equation will become, because in place of 1 upon x plus y we can write u, so our first equation will become 10u plus 2v, because in place of 1 upon x minus y u can be written, this equals to 4. This is our first equation. After that, the second is 15u minus 5v equals to minus 2. This is our second equation. Now you have to solve them to get the value of the variable x and y, and for that you can use any of the method. Let's use cross multiplication method. For that you have to write it as u equals to v equals to 1. For that, change this equation into the standard form. For that we have to shift this constant to the left hand side, so that on the right hand side there is only 0. So this will become minus 4 equals to 0, and second equation will become 15u minus 5v plus 2 equals to 0. So this is our required standard form equation. Now you have to solve them. We know that to solve it by cross multiplication method, we write it as this, and for writing u, you have to ignore the coefficient of u. Instead you have to write the other two coefficients. So that are 2 and minus 5, and the second coefficient is 4 and 2. And after that, for v, you have to write the other two coefficients other than the coefficient with v. So if this has to be ignored and the other two coefficients are written here, so this is minus 4 and 2. Obviously the same coefficient should be written here, and the remaining one is 10 and 15. Now you have to write for the constant term. For that you have to ignore the constant and you have to write the other two. This is already written, means this has to be written again, and after that you have to write 2 and minus 5. And for u, you have to cross multiply it. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, minus, because first term is subtracted from second, and 5 multiplied to 4 is 20, and minus multiplied by minus is plus. This should be equals to v. The 15 into 4 is 60, minus 60, 10 into 2 is 20, equals to 1. So 5 into 10 is minus 50, and 5 into 2 is minus 30. After that, we can further solve it. So 20 minus 4 is minus 16, minus 60 minus 20 is minus 80, and again minus 50 minus 30 is minus 80. Now you can equate it. This value is equals to this value. So u minus 16 can be equals to 1 upon minus 80, and the value of u can be minus 16 upon minus 80. So minus minus can be cancelled out, and this can be cancelled out 5 times. 16, 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 5 1 3, 80. So the value of u is equals to 1 upon 5. Similarly, you can equate the value of v as this. So the value of v will be equals to minus 80 upon minus 80. Cancelling it, the value of v here is 1. So now we know the value of v as 1. Now we know that 1 upon x plus y is equals to 1 upon 5. So clearly x plus y should be equals to 5. And second equation, x minus y should be equals to 1. Now if you want to solve it, again these are pair of linear equation. These can simply be solved by elimination method. Here the coefficient of y are already equal. Just you have to add these two equations, and adding these two equations, these opposite sign will be cancelled out, and this plus this will be 2x, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So the value of x should be equals to 3, because this cancelled by 3 is cancelled by 6 is 3 times. Now you can substitute this value in any of these two equations, so that you can find the value of the other variable, which is y. So I am substituting this value in the first equation. So the value of x is 3 plus y equals to 5. So clearly the value of y should be 5 minus 3. So the value of y should be equals to 2. So here the value of y must be equals to 2. So this is how you can solve this question. Thank you.